Going to Giginto, Bulacan.
Sana ko.
Dito na kami sa Quezon Avenue. Heading to North EDSA. Nagkamag-traffic kayo kasi
Mamaya na yung pagbag.
nung kami mismo sa may sa may film nasa Bromsad ka,
Yung ano,
malapit kayo dun sa-
North Eds, SM North Eds. Ibang-iba na siya.
50 ata sila eh.
Oo, naka-video ka na mahal. Service.
Ano yung brace din?
Oo. Anniversary. Wala naka-on. Wala, stick ko. Itong aking ano. Take 2. Morning. Saan ba? So, thank you.
associate in the work. From gathering in the rented apartment of the Vietnam Paranaque, the church moved to Nigeria in the City on January 1st, 2019, with Pastor Ronnie Vargas' ministry. In January 2010, Taguig Grace Gospel Church was inaugurated by Pastor Manuel A. Rosso at Jude's Donas residence. Pastor Manuel Vargas, Rodriguez Church, Pastor Henry Kumao, Pagdiluman Rivera Queta, San Isidro Church, Pastor Daniel Reyes, Pastor Ryan Gonzalez, Michael William Vamos Ilagan Church, Pastor Charlie Atala, Pastor Miguel Cluster Free Churches, Novaliches Church, Pastor Isidro Eusol, Pastor Jonathan Indy, Venezuela Church, Pastor Billy E. Rosso, Bible Woman Elizabeth E. Rosso, Bible Woman Mary Apple, Benedas Church, Pastor Alfred Olmos, Bible Woman Jenny Olmos, Cluster Free Churches, Bacoor Church, Pastor Salvador Damos, Pastor Jerson Burbank, Pastor Jeremy Roy Calat, Bible Woman Violeta Damos, Dumas Cavite Church, Volunteer Workers, Brother Ruben Alcala, Brother Lincoln Lara, Lion Church, Pastor Jason Gonzalez, General Leeds
Meron
Church,
pala eh.
Pastor Ricky Patas, Bible Woman Rochelle Patas, President Office, Pastor Ben Anthony Lewis, Designers, Pastor John King, Bible Woman Freda King, Cluster 4 Churches, Pastor Church, Pastor Muslim City, Bible Woman Motivated City, Pastor Fernando Acanel, Bible Woman Janela Ligay Acanel, Pinoona Church, Pastor Raymond Acan, Bible Woman Jubilina Acan, Pastor Bienvenido Simon Sr. Espinas Church, Pastor Ronnie Juarez, Elite Church, Pastor Pablo Tadino, Bible Woman Paula Tadino, Pastor Robert Uda, Aita Church, Pastor Johnny Macainas, Cluster 5 Churches, Binukawan Church, Pastor John Manuel, Siglo Antipolo Church, Pastor Daniel Matulis, Bible Woman Camille Masikat, Pastor T. Alno, Pastor Jason Ceballos, Flag in Parker's Head, Brother Rebel Alcala, Flag Man President, Captain Women's Department, Grace Women's Warrior, Sister Ella Lee, Seniors in GWW with Women Advisory, Mount Yed Red, Professionals, G. Mark Romeo Lindy, CYA, Joshua Ramos, Casey Parker, Keith Gig, Sister Melissa Sanchez, Clyde Ray Senior, Michael Women Lee Mapulas. Also, following sing a song. To God be glory and every rest. This is the reading of this Our great God, our Heavenly Father, we are coming to your presence this morning with thankfulness in our hearts for your faithfulness to each and every one of us, even for your faithfulness to the Central Soul Association of Christ Churches. Salamat po kayo sa iyong mga alipin namin